I will be focusing on the signaling multi-design principle. The signaling principle refers to the finding that multimedia learning materials become more effective when cues are added that guide the learner's attention to the relevant elements of the material or highlight the organization of the material. It's essential that the instructor not only present information, but guide the learner in a way that reduces cognitive overload. We may want to draw the learner to specific parts of the learning. This can be done through highlighting, adding arrows, using distinctive colors, flashing, using pointing gestures, and graying out non-essential items. However, too much highlighting adds confusion rather than guidance. Thus, it's important that signaling be used sparingly. In this example, cues are used in an animation in which the top left cube subsystem is highlighted and the rest are shaded, marking them as less important. This reduces cognitive overload and allows the learner to know where to look on the screen as the animation plays. It's incredibly helpful in a complex animation like this one. In this example, the course author signals important information in two ways. First, by using labels to make the structure of the text explicit, and secondly, by highlighting keywords in the text. There are some limitations when it comes to using the signaling principle. There's evidence that the signaling principle applies mainly to low-skilled readers rather than high-skilled ones. In a research conducted by Nauman and colleagues, it was found that the signaling of a hypertext lesson on visual perception tended to improve transfer performance of low-skilled learners rather than high-skilled ones. Presumably, high-skilled readers are better able to adjust their reading strategies to compensate for disorganized text. Another limitation when using the signaling principle was conducted in a research by Zhuang, Chandler, and Sweller. It was reported that visual signaling in the form of flashing, a part of the display, was effective when the image was complex and not simple.